In this demonstration, we will build a simple employee directory application. The first thing we will do is build a new database table named Employee. In the table, we will define several attributes and define their specific properties. We can define the database model here visually, and the Agile platform will take care of creating and updating the physical tables once we deploy the application. Now for the user interface, we will create a user navigation flow to list and edit employees. We will create a web page on our flow diagram to list employees and a second to edit employee details and create new employees. Once we deploy the application, the Agile platform will automatically generate the ASP.NET or JSF web pages and deploy them in the application server. Now let's create the user interface for the employee list page. We will set the title of the page to Employee List and add a widget to list all employees in the employee table. For that, we will need to add a query to the page preparation logic. We can name it Get Employees and define it visually using the employee table we created previously. We will order the query results by name. Now let's bind our query to the user interface. We will also create a link so that users can create new employees. This link will navigate to the Employee Details web page, which will also serve to edit existing employees in the database. For the edit capability, we will need to pass the selected employee's ID to the employee's detail page in order to edit a particular employee's details. As you can see, web page inputs are typified and validated for coherence to prevent mistakes. Now let's create the Employee Detail user interface. We will change the title of the page to Employee Details and insert a form widget which will allow us to edit existing details or add new employees. We will add a button to save our changes. Those changes will need to be saved in the database, so under the processing logic, we will add the action to create or update the employee. As you can see here, for all created tables, the Agile platform automatically gives you APIs to handle data on these tables. After creating or updating the employee in the database, we will provide the end user with a nice feedback message. In the end, we want to return to the employee list web page. On deploy, all this logic will be compiled by the Agile platform into standard C# or Java code and be deployed to the application server. Finally, we need to supply the form with an existing employee's detail as selected in the employee list web page. For this, we will add a query to our employee detail preparation logic, which gets the employee details of the employee we want to edit, and we will feed the form widget with the results of the query. Now we can simply publish our new application by using the Agile platform's one-click publishing capability. By doing this, the Agile platform will take care of creating the new database table, generating all of our application code, and deploy the final application to the application server. Once we open the browser, we can execute our new application. Here it is, simple. Since there are no employees in the database, we will create a new one named John Doe with an email address of john.doe@outsystems.com. We can save this new employee. See the feedback message at the top of the employee list window letting us know our action was successful? Now let's edit John's details to see if this is working. There it is, a working application in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.